Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm your humble Picaso. Thanks for joining in. Today, guys, a little unboxing. I got a package here from Amazon. Let's go ahead, dive in, see what it is. Before we get into this is actually something that I've been wanting to add to my setup, and to be honest, don't know why I haven't added it before today, but I'm glad that it's here. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Let's dive right in. Open this up, and we're gonna take this out. Yes, as you see, nothing else in there. As you see here, I have the Newbie Z8 RGB headphones stand. It says RGB. We got some ports at the back here. This looks like, oh, as you can see, the condition of my box here, even before opening it, but sealed. But yeah, it had a little rough travel there. So we have colorful RGB lights, multifunction ports, non-slip base, easy install, protect your headphones. What else do we have here? This is a headphone stand with RGB lights, and the whole design of the headphone stand is very stylish and practical. This is the Model Z8. It has 2 expansion ports which can provide charging and data transfer for headset, cell phones, USB, flash disk, and other devices. Very interesting. Okay, lots to offer here. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open. I do not have any knife on it. Let's go ahead. Oh. Am I being trolled? Oh, it's just hard to open. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and slide. I think I'm doing this upside down. Yep, here we go. Right off the bat, there's a little bit of weight. Nothing in the box. There's a little bit of weight to the stand, which definitely feels nice. So here we got the stand. Little, don't know what that is, but it's a nice grippy. It's definitely gonna stick. Yeah, it's definitely gonna stick. We have a button here, probably to change the RGBs. This is the connector for the stand. We have in USB-C charges, USB-C out, a little indicator light there, and a USB-A charging out, or USB female charging out, I should say. I like it. Definitely plastic, but there's a little bit of weight to it, you know. So I want to say there's definitely some aluminum in here somewhere, maybe a little bit of some type of metals, but there's definitely a weight to it. That's the base. Let's see what else we have in here. We have the USB-C cable here. I got many of these. So also we have a little thing here for your phone. You can use one of those, I don't know what they call it, pop sockets, or you know, one of those things. You can use a stand also to hold your device. We have a microfiber cleaning cloth. We have the manual, which, to be honest, I'm not gonna go through. I'm sure I can figure this out. And yeah, let's see what else. This is the part that's going to connect and hold your headphones. Okay, it looks nice. Definitely plastic. It's not hard at all. You can actually bend it and everything like that, but the design of it looks nice. The color of it looks nice. Let's go ahead for the actual bar. Okay, now the actual bar itself, this does not feel like plastic at all. Okay, I'm not trying to damage anything here. We want to see how this is going to work together. So it is to figure out which part is going where. I probably should go through the manual just to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. Actually, you know what? If I just take a look at the box here, okay, I can already see this is where the light is. Right here. This is where the light is. So this is going to be at the front. Straightforward. All I need to do is look at the box. Okay, let's go ahead and get this guy set up. I just looked on my camera and it said something. I did not even notice what it said. Hopefully nothing went wrong. Going to go ahead and I don't know if that's the correct one. Okay, let's try to figure. This has the hole and this one has something in there. Okay, you know what, we'll try one way. Oh, okay, I see. So I'm pretty sure it's this way. I mean, does it snap into place or something like that? Oh, okay, I see. So I'm an idiot. We're going to go ahead and put that on there, and that is to lock it into place. Okay, see, I didn't need the manual. Just a nice little one. There we go. Nice and sturdy. No wobblage. Okay, there we go. And then straightforward, we just take this little part here and slap it on in here. Go like that. You guys can see. Oh, that's a nice little, oh, that's a firm little squeeze in there. So this is what we got. Now for the moment of truth, let's go ahead and plug it in. I don't even need to use that. I have a type C right here. Type C in. Boom. Type C in. We got our lights. Let me go ahead and off the light there. Okay, that's just basic. I'm going to press the button. We got blue, green, red, of course, purple. Now we should have, there we go. Okay, this is how it's going to be on my desk, of course. Let's press it one more time and let's see. Oh, we got fading. Okay, so we have a couple of different oh, that was yellow. What is this now? This is just the blue. Back to the beginning. Okay, I'm obviously, oops, I passed it. I passed it again. This is the one that I'm going to be leaving it on. Let's get the lights back on here. Let's go ahead and let me put it where, actually, let me just get a pair of headphones. Let me get my gaming headphones that I use. I'll fix the camera angle and let's take a proper look at this. Probably where I'm going to have it set up on my desk. Just going to have it over here on the desk here. I got my gaming headset here, and it's definitely going to fit just right in with my little setup. As you can see, I got the mouse and the mouse pad going over there, my little Bluetooth speakers over there, and then back to this guy. It's really cool. I paid, I think, what, 17 bucks for it. I think the original price is like 30 bucks, something like that. Again, I got it on sale using a discount code that I had received, and it's really cool. Again, this is the new Z8 RGB headphone stand. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, this is the Newbie Z8 RGB headphones stand. I will have links in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I'm your humble Picasso. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm out.